Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the TYR CXT-1 trainer, a cross-training shoe that has taken the CrossFit scene by storm. TYR, known for their swimwear and triathlon gear, surprised everyone with their entry into the CrossFit market last year. The CXT-1 trainer has become one of the best CrossFit-specific shoes out there, and it's time to find out why. This shoe is all about durability, support, and breathability. With its 9mm heel-to-toe drop and wide, flat base, it offers a stable foundation for heavy lifting while still being flexible and reactive for speed and agility work. The CXT-1 trainer may look like other CrossFit shoes, but it has some subtle differences that set it apart. The 9mm drop is the highest we've seen on a CrossFit shoe. Designed to enhance ankle mobility and squatting depth, all while providing comfort and stability. TYR has truly powered this shoe from the ground up. It features a patent-pending stability platform for premium support and ground contact, with wide wrap-around side grippers for added stability during intense movements. The shoe's design is satisfyingly old-school, with a plain and dependable look. While some brighter colorways are available, the classic style appeals to many fitness enthusiasts. The anatomical toe box provides a secure fit without being overly wide, and the arch support is appreciated by those with high arches. The mesh upper keeps your feet cool during intense workouts, and the basic lacing system allows for a tight fit if desired. Durability is a strong point of the CXT-1 trainer. The extended toe guard and heel clip protect the shoe during various movements, and the lateral and medial rope guards add to stability. The rubber sole is flat with a slight groove for rope work and has excellent grip and flexibility, making it perfect for agility exercises and box jumps. Now, let's talk about that 9mm heel-to-toe drop. It's a game changer for those with tight ankles and calf muscles, providing excellent support during squats. The clever design makes the shoe feel flat while still offering the benefits of the drop. The wide, flat base enhances ground contact and stability, making it fantastic for heavy lifts. However, if you prefer a minimal shoe, this might not be the best fit for you. In conclusion, the TYR CXT-1 trainer is a top-notch cross-training shoe that can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're at the CrossFit box, the gym, or training at home, this shoe has everything you need for a successful workout. If you're looking for a highly versatile and durable cross-training shoe that stands out from the crowd, the TYR CXT-1 trainer is definitely worth considering. It's no surprise that it has quickly become one of the best CrossFit shoes on the market. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on various products. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, keep pushing your fitness limits with the TYR CXT-1 trainer.